Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is Deegee Chef from the stables. We will be doing a very interesting twist to tacos. Pulled jackfruit in a delicious barbecue sauce with a very fresh salad. Did you know that the jackfruit tree belongs to the fig family? Jackfruits are these rather intimidating fruits, big in size and difficult to prepare. But it's worth every minute of that effort.
This milk that's oozing is bloody sticky. So what you need to do is oil your hand well and then handle the raw jackfruit, and it's a whole art by itself. That's why it's not so popular. But nowadays in the grocery store you get clean cut jackfruit ready to eat and cook immediately.
Let's make thin slices of the red cabbage and the red onions. To this, add chopped fresh mint. The mint will enhance the freshness of the salad tremendously. To this, add crushed roasted cumin seeds, zest of a whole lemon. We now also slice yellow cherry tomatoes for the color and the tanginess. These colors in the salad are already making it look ravishing. To this, add salt, sugar, chopped red bell peppers and lemon juice. Mix it well and store for 30 minutes.
Hi, so we have boiled jackfruit. We boiled this in salt and turmeric. We will now pull this apart like a lamb or a pork or a mutton dish and try and create a taco with barbecue sauce.
Notice the texture of the jackfruit as you pull it apart. Very similar to red meat, and is thus, as I mentioned, also a good vegetarian meat option. Once this is done, we will add barbecue sauce. Mix this well with the pulled jackfruit. Notice I'm using my hands, and I find feeling the ingredients gives me a better control on the product. We will add chopped coriander leaves. I am now warming a soft tortilla on a pan. We will now assemble the barbecue pulled jack meat on the tortilla. Douse that with chilled salad and coriander leaves. And then the goodness of the cheese on top. Voila!
This is a soft taco with pulled jackfruit in barbecue sauce with the coleslaw and cheese, and we'll do a hot taco too.